Doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Solution Msahils. In this video, I'm gonna show technical SEO introduction and checklist. Technical SEO including improving the technical factors of a website to increase the ranking of its pages in the search engine. Checklist of technical SEO. First, Sitemap.HTML. Sitemap are the links to the website, the ones we want to crawl, generating a sitemap, submitting a sitemap to search engine. This is an important thing that you have to do whenever we do technical SEO on a website. So sitemap should be number one on your checklist. Second, sitemap.html, such as website, the navigation of which is a bit complicated. There are many pages, that is, which is a large website. At this time we will provide to crawler a sitemap, but we also have to cater to the audience. If your website is using, then HTML is recommended. Next, robots.txt file. What is in this file? If I tell you those files contain a list of links which we don't want to crawl, it's also important to attach the robots.txt file with your website, especially when you want to your website should not be page crawled and no index. So robots.txt file is an important aspect. Fourth, next, page load time. Page load time. Everyone want to type a keyword every time, so see those pages fast. So we have target the sum that is your website good speed. Also optimizing website speed, that is to reduce page. We will pay attention to that too. It will also tell you how you can check it. Also, what are the things which increase your page load time? You can comment and tell us about it. Next, optimization of JS and CSS. Like JavaScript and CSS, we will do of optimize. How will you do it? All these things must come to us for improvement of our website and also our user experience. SSL Certificate. Google want to rank websites on as many of its servers as possible, or to be an index of them have applied for SSL certificate. Basically, it reminds of an encrypted create a link between the web browser and the servers. It communicates this is your website secure. So Google says I want so SSL certificate on every website. Let me tell you how to it turns out. For example, https www.website.com. See the URL of the website. What https means is that website has a SSL certificate attached to it. Next, this means if you type any wrong website name, but what we see it we attach a actual domain name, that is the real name of the web domain should be open. So for what that we use tag. Next, redirection 404, 301, 302. That is what you are looking for on the server page he is not available, so we call it 404 errors. Even if your user mistakes go virus viral your unseen web page in direct, this means that the problem will increase, so that's why 404 pages should be on our website, so should be 301 and 302. W3C Validation, it is basically an organization that if that of your website check the validation of the document, whatever it is, so validated or not. So the W3C validation process is very important. So whenever we talk about the technical aspect, so getting any website 3WC validation check done right becomes very important. Next, open graph tag. How to apply open graph tag? How about Facebook? How about Instagram? How about WhatsApp? For this we use the tool, so enabling the open graph tag is necessary on our website from which any person copy the URL anywhere or share it anywhere, so properly the way we want have a show there. Last, structured data. Structured data. You also need to add structured data to your website. All for it of your website, the presentations is even more improved. Thanks for watching.